So I understand there's been questions about snow cream, and kind of around here I'm kind of the snow cream master. So I'm just gathering quite a bit of snow here to make some real quick, and you can't have too much of this because you mix it as it feels and how it looks. So I'll gather a little bit more snow here, and then I'll hop on inside and we'll show you how it's done. Alright, so we have our snow here, and once you get inside you gotta move fast because this can melt, and you want to keep its fluffiness and you don't want to touch it too much unless you have to. So what I'm going to do, I got like a little shaker here, and I'm going to throw about, I've got about half a cup of sugar here. Yeah, I think that's about right. About half a cup of sugar. And I don't have specific measurements for this at all. I'm going to do a splash of, this is vanilla flavoring syrup. So maybe about, maybe a tablespoon. I'll put a little bit more. Maybe about a tablespoon of that. And that's what makes it. That's what makes it or breaks it right there, is the vanilla flavoring. I'm going to kind of fill the rest of this up with milk. Give a little bit of room to shake it there. So my grandmother actually used to make this every time I go to Ohio. So that's where I learned the recipe from, watching her all those times making it for me. So I found this is actually the best way to shake it all up and to mix it. And you just pour it in one bowl, and it kind of has a frothy look to it. I could use all of it here. Some of it. Alright, so what we do is we start putting snow in there. And remember, like I said, you don't want to mess with the snow or mix it too much. So you want to do as minimal mixing as you can. And then you just kind of, with making snow cream, folding it looks best, or works best, I'm sorry. It works best because it doesn't press on the snow too much and just make it all not fluffy. So and see, I got plenty of snow because if we use too much of our cream mixture there, then we can add more snow, and if it's the other way around, we can just make more mixture. Now this is going to make quite a bit here, what I got, but if you want to take a look here at what we have, let me get some spoons. Alright, so it kind of has like a, I mean, it's a very soft looking ice cream, so we're going to try it here. Good? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Alright, well now you know how to make snow cream, and you can kind of play around with the proportions here to fit your liking. So now you know how to make snow cream. So from Little Miss Homemaker and the Snow Cream Fairy, y'all have a good rest of the day, okay?